Hi all, thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'll be showcasing my 3D printed art. This is something I designed. I created the eye using Procreate on my iPad, and I'll be using Sharper 3D today as the software I design all my 3D models with. This is something unusual, something different. I thought I'll showcase my other talents, hopefully. This video is more designed to just showcase things you can do with 3D printing besides make models. And I thought creating art would be something different. Hopefully it looks okay. Don't get me wrong, it's not no Picasso, but we'll see. Let's watch the video. So as you may have seen through the video so far, I'll go back and forth with how I'm designing different parts of the eye, the depth I'm making each height. And I'll be honest, what you're seeing in some parts of the video isn't the finished product. I got rid of some things like the eyelashes or the veins in the iris of the eye. When I did print this out the first time, they were so minuscule and thin, they almost instantly broke after taking them off the bed. And even the ones that didn't break, trying to fit them into the tiny gaps, not thinking that the scale I'm working on isn't the size of a one size piece of paper. It's the measurements, as you can see, it's about an A5, A4 size piece of paper, so it's not massive. So these tiny minuscule lines don't show up well, and you don't even notice them when they are printed, really. So right now I'm just doing the coloring in, just so I can match the color, so I can see what it might look like once it's printed. I hope you enjoyed it so far. And in a moment, you're about to see the support removal on the actual building. Okay, let's go. See, I'm struggling to get the pieces in at this point. When the printing process happens, as some of them are printed on a raft, some of the filament and bits of plastic just fills in some of the gaps. And as you saw when I was designing it, these are really, really, really tiny thin spaces. I'm zooming in now using a scalpel just to get out the tiny bits of junk, really. So I'm just shaving bits off slowly but surely, sanding a bit back and forth till I see what fits. As I'm doing one bit, I'm realizing the next bit needs to be cut out, next bit needs to be shaven, and that's what I'm going to be doing just so it gets a tighter fit. It does help, not greatly, but definitely does help improve the fitting. Yeah, back to the video. Thank you for sticking around this long. This was a tedious process, a lot harder than I thought it would be. I thought it would be simply printing, fitting together, and off we go to the races. But thank you once again for supporting this channel, supporting me. I hope to continue to make some more stronger videos as this channel gets stronger and longer and all that good stuff. But for now, it's off to the glamour shots and the showcase. Let's go! Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. If you get a chance, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Mr. Campbell Prince. It's been great spending time with you. So sweet baby G.